हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आई एग्जाम बी। सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने 23 नवंबर को रिक्रूटमेंट निकाली थी फॉर डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट टू स्केल 2 एंड स्केल 3 इन वेरियस स्ट्रीम्स। एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करने की लास्ट डेट 17 दिसंबर थी। Now Central Bank of India has extended the last date of filling the application form and have also revised the number of vacancies. This is what we are going to discuss in this video. Subscribe to our channel to get all the updated information like this at the earliest. If you have any query, you can write to us. You can also call us on the number which is mentioned on the screen. So as I have mentioned, in this video we are going to talk about the revised vacancies and the extended last date. Initially, the opening date for online registration was 23rd of November and the closing date was 17th of December. Now this has been extended to 30th of December. The tentative date for online examination was 22 January and it is still not changed. If you look at the earlier vacancies, in total there were 115 vacancies. I will specifically mention for law officer and information technology officer. Law officer vacancies were 20 earlier and the IT scale 2 officer were 15 vacancies. Now the total number of vacancies have been increased to 214. If you look at law officer, the number of vacancies have been increased to 26 and for IT scale 2 law officer, the number of vacancies have been increased to 69 from 15. तो अगर अभी तक आपने एग्जाम फॉर्म नहीं भरा है, you were wondering whether to fill it, whether not to fill it, now the number of vacancies, the opportunity have increased. The last date for submission of online application has been revised to 30th of December. Also, it is mentioned all other terms of the notification still remain the same. So, tentative exam date is still 22nd January. You can check out your eligibility criteria from the earlier notification. If you look at the exam pattern, there are 60 questions from your stream or category specific questions, 20 from computer knowledge and 20 from banking, present economic scenario and general awareness. लॉ ऑफिसर कैंडिडेट्स के लिए तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। ना कोई क्वांट है, ना कोई रीजनिंग है। मैथ्स का सब्जेक्ट जो हमने +2 के बाद पढ़ना ही छोड़ दिया था, उसके कोई भी सेक्शंस नहीं है विच आर देयर इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी एग्जाम. So again I am mentioning it is a very good opportunity. If you have 3 years experience as an advocate or 2 years experience as law officer and similarly 2 years post qualification experience in IT sector, you can apply for this post. At iExamB, we offer Central Bank of India course for 2 streams, for IT and for law officer, and at present we are giving you 40% off. You can use the code NEW40. आप इन कोर्सेज के डेमो को चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. You can find the link in the description below. Again I am mentioning subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.